Hello students, let's start practice question number 4 of chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Here question is, a boat goes 24 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 6 hours. It goes 30 km upstream and 21 km downstream in 6.5 hours. Find the speed of boat in still water and speed of stream. So first we will let speed of boat in still water as x km per hour and speed of stream as y km per hour. Here stream means movement of water. Now to understand the terms upstream and downstream, just look here. If boat and stream both are moving in same direction, then this is the case of downstream. And if boat and stream both are moving in just opposite direction, then this is the case of upstream. Now in the case of downstream, this we have supposed speed of boat x km per hour and speed of stream y km per hour. In this case बोट की जो स्पीड है स्टिल वाटर में x किलोमीटर पर आवर और सेम डायरेक्शन में वाटर फ्लो की वजह से इस बोट की स्पीड इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. स्पीड इन डाउनस्ट्रीम stream will increase the speed of boat. So x plus y, ये स्पीड बोट की, y स्ट्रीम की जो स्पीड है ऐड करनी पड़ेगी हमें x प्लस वाई किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ इन अपस्ट्रीम स्पीड ऑफ बोट x किलोमीटर पर आवर, स्पीड ऑफ स्ट्रीम y किलोमीटर पर आवर and speed in upstream, stream will reduce the speed of boat. स्ट्रीम की वजह से बोट की स्पीड कम हो जाएगी. x माइनस वाई, एक्चुअल स्पीड x थी, उसमें से हमें स्ट्रीम की स्पीड माइनस कर दी. दिस इज द स्पीड इन अपस्ट्रीम. नाउ according to question, here first case is boat goes 24 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 6 hours. Case first, हमें given है time, so first we will see the relation between time, speed and distance. So time in upstream distance 24 upon speed, this is x minus y, and time in downstream (28) distance and speed x plus y kilometer per hour, and total time is given 6 hours. So 24 upon x minus y plus second one is 28 28 upon x plus y is equal to 6 hours. This is the equation number 1. Similarly, we can write case second. In second case, 30 kilometer upstream. Similarly, we can write here time will be 30 upon x minus y plus in downstream 21 kilometer upon x plus y is equal to 6.5 hours, or we can write it as 13/2. This is equation number 2. Now these are the equations, and both equations having first term as denominator x minus y and second term as denominator x plus y. So first we will reduce it by taking 1 upon x minus y as u and 1 upon x plus y as v. Now this equation will convert 24u plus 28v is equal to 6, and this equation 30u plus 21v is equals to 13/2. अगर ये कंसेप्ट समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो तो हम इसको इस तरीके से भी ले सकते हैं. 24 को 24 इंटू 1 और ये हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन एक्स माइनस वाई u मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 upon x plus y v. Now look here, whole equation we can divide it by 2. So divide by 2, it becomes 12u plus 14v equals to 3, and here right hand side this is fraction form, so we will do cross multiply. 2 multiply by 30u, it becomes 60u plus 2 multiply by 21v, it becomes 42v, that is equals to 13 ones are 13. Now we can write it as equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now here you can use any algebraic method to solve these equations. I am using elimination method. We can eliminate u if we multiply equation number 3 by 5, because 12 5s are 60. Coefficient same हो जाएगा. So 12u multiply by 5, 60u plus 14v multiply by 5, 70v equals to 3 multiply by 5, 15, and 60u, this equation as it is, plus 42v is equals to 13. Now by subtracting we have to change the signs. Now 60u minus 60u cancelled, 70v minus 42v, 28v equals to 15 minus 13, 2. So value of v 2 upon 28, we can cancel by 2 ones are, so value of v will be 1 upon 14. Now we will put this value in any one of equation number 3 or 4. So I am using equation number 3. By putting this value of v in equation 3, 12u plus 14v, and value of v is 1 upon 14, equals to 3. Now we can cancel it. 14 ones are 14. So 12u plus 1 equals to 3. 12u is equals to 3 minus 1, 2. So value of u, next step, will be 2 upon 12. We can cancel it by 2. 1 upon. Here value of u is 1 upon 6 and value of v is 1 upon 14. And we have supposed that 1 upon x minus y is equals to u. So we will write here 1 upon x minus y equals to 1 upon 6. Taking reciprocal both sides, so we can do cross multiply. X minus y equal to 6. Now value of v is equals to 1 upon 14 and we have supposed v as 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon 14. Now taking cross multiply is equals to x plus y is equals to 14. Now these two equations we have to solve again. Now by elimination method we can write it as equation number 5 and equation number 6. Now by adding equation 5 and 6, x minus y equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 14. Plus y minus y cancelled, x plus x, 2x is equal to 6 plus 14, 20. So value of x will be 20 upon 2 is equals to 10. Now we can put this value in any one of equation number 5 and 6. From equation 5, x 10 minus y is equal to 6. So value of y 10 minus 6 equals to 4. So we can write, so speed of boat in still water, we have supposed x, so it will be 10 km per hour, and speed of stream we have supposed as y and value of y is 4 km per hour.